All right, awesome. It is 12/12, July 7th, 2026. So that means that the hourly reset on the 5 limit has just reset, and the Fable 5 is supposed to end today. So let's try to get the most out of this. Out of my $20 plan, I've already spent an extra uh $25 though, making this application. Um, so phase 0, 1, the hell? In the phase 1, what do you mean 0? Okay, hold up. So since last time, phase 4 is now done. Missed auto call text after a configurable number of unanswered calls. The lead. I guess I could. And it's an auto text. If the trigger fires outside, so it's basically text them if I dial 3 times and they don't pick up. Two-way inbox, a new inbox screen with threads. Nice. Let's go check that out. No active numbers. So there's an inbox. That's where I get to that's where I get to go text people, I guess. Two-way SMS. Nice. Okay. Flags attention, a bubble conversation view, and a composer. Dude, this is epic. Automated inbound handling, stop and unsubscribe, permanently sets the global DNC flag, cancels every queue text without lead in the same transaction, and blocks all future calls and text forever. Interesting. Representative type messages, auto reply, and flag. Okay. Interesting. So this is basically the text messages part. It's the take me off your list part. Okay. Templates manager in settings with first name as templates and merge. A templates manager in settings. Where's the templates manager? SMS. Okay. Scheduled text from any leads page. Pick a template or write a body. Set date, time. Optionally repeat every n days. Repayment reminders for sold clients. Scheduler loop. A status drop down in settings. Brand pending. Claim approved. Nice, nice. So that was phase 4. Phase. Oh shit. Phase 4 Fable. Let me go ahead and copy that. 144 backend tests. Interesting. Okay. Push origin. Do phase 5. Bang. I wonder. I kind of really want to do ultra code, but I don't even have the Okay. Let's see if it starts drawing usage credits from my paid account or if it uses my pro subscription. Hopefully the pro subscription. I'm running out of usage credits. Bro, this is actually not making any kind of sense. Like, how is it that in 6,700 tokens, I already used 79% of my 5 hour limit, and I've already used 75% of my cloud Fable 5. Holy crap. And then the context window is at 71%. Holy crap, am I just running out of space and usage here? What the F? What if I upgrade? Oh my god. Higher limits every month, good for consistent heavy use. Low key, it is $100 though. Oh my goodness, man. I'm gonna run out of money soon. Oh my goodness. It's literally been about 15, 16 minutes. I've asked Fable to do phase 5, which is recording and AI notes, recording migration applied. Now they're recording plumbing in the Twilio service and analysis service. What got changed? So, fuck no. I don't want that. Recording with consent? Holy shit. That sucks. Phase 5. Recording when a lead answers they hear this call may be recorded for quality purposes. Toggle defaults on since you're in California. Before joining your conference, the announcements. I don't want that. Recording with this call may be recorded for quality purposes. When a recording completes, the app downloads the MP3 to the data recordings, attaches it, and then deletes a copy from Twilio so you never accrue their storage fees. And the audio only lives on my desktop. Sweet! I like that. The analysis queue, every recorded call over 10 seconds gets a job, which is configurable. A worker inside the app transcribes it with faster whisper, automatically falls back if my CUDA libraries aren't set up. And then Cloud turns the transcript into skippable notes. The default summary model, it's a settings field if you ever want to change it. Nice. Analysis screen, a new nav showing every job with status, expandable transcript notes or an audio player or retry, rerun buttons. Recordings are also playable inline. Epic, Anthropic API keys. Yeah, I'm gonna want to make this. I don't want to use a API key, so I should leave it into my notes. Auto dialer to do. Check on this call maybe quality assurance purposes thing. Check on the stop thing, and then also try to use a local LLM to transcribe instead of Anthropic API key. Okay, so now my 5-hour limit, that one prompt used 91% of my 5-hour limits. So now I gotta wait till 5 a.m. So I'll wake up about 7 to do phase 6, but phase 5, Fable, it's pretty much done. Master dialer. Okay. All right, now it is 6:36 a.m. July 7th, 2026, which means my 5-hour limit just reset. So let's go ahead and finish phase 6. I believe there's phase 7. Oh god. New phase 6. Bang. Awesome. So phase 6 is now done. And with that one prompt that used up 62% of my 5-hour limit, let's check it out. Front end. Okay, now all I need to do is connect a Twilio account, and then I should be able to start playing with this some more. Alright, screw it. Before I head to work, I'm just gonna hit it's gonna turn on my usage because it does just end today anyways. I got about $12 left. Phase 1 live shakedown. Screw it. And then I'll be back. Alright, so I just came back from work. Try to check on the progress, but it looks like I hit my spend limit on Fable 5, which sucks. And it looks like I just spent all my $40. I have good news is that, oh my goodness, my weekly Fable 5 limit resets tomorrow at 4 p.m. Oh my goodness, so I can't even do anything till today. Or I could upgrade to max. But the good news is that while at work, I did see that Fable 5 is still usable for another up to the 12th without having to needing to pay for anything. But now I'm just gonna have to wait for tomorrow to be able to keep using this because I already spent $40 on this application, which is kind of insane. But I think it'll be worth it. I'll make my money back.